In this video, we're going to go about showing how we can display the savings and cost savings to a front-end user if they're getting a bulk pricing discount based on choosing more volume. So our slider module here has the bulk pricing pricing structure discount mode, meaning that if a user chooses between 1 and 10 items, they're paying $100 per unit. And if they go between 11 and 12 units, let's say we go up to 15 or something like that, and then we can switch that from 16 to 20, then they're going to get 90. So they're basically saving $5 per unit once they start buying more bulk. So we want to show that to the user. And right now how it works is if the person is doing 15 units, and then they're paid $95 per unit, we're not showing that they're saving $5 per unit yet anyways. We do have a feature that will be coming out soon where you can press on the advanced options and you can toggle a new setting that we're working on where it'll show that savings in the front end. But for now, there's another way you can do it. You can actually trigger a text box element to show the savings. So you can say you've saved $5 per unit or something like that. And simply you would just add conditional logic. And you would say that the amount of hours is greater than 15. So if it's greater than 15 and it's lower than 20, so if it's within that condition, then it's going to get triggered. So right now they select, let's say 9 units and they're paying $900, which is $100 per unit. Once they get up to 16 units, you've saved $5 per unit. And they go to the detail list and now they're getting it at $90 or however that you've selected the savings to be. So anything past, so 16 to 20 would be the $90 per unit. And if you want to make that more bold, you can just simply wrap it in a div and make it bold. Or you can wrap it in a span, perhaps. Or you can even make it a H2 or H3. And then that will make it a little bit more bold. So style equals red. Just make it a little bit more popping to the eye. There you go. You save $5 per unit. So like I said, this is kind of like a workaround for now. But eventually we will have a feature where you'll be able to calculate that the savings will basically, what the feature would do is it would recognize that the person is here and is going to compare it to the highest priced item in the bulk pricing calculator, and then it's going to take how many units the person has purchased and then divide it by and times it by the amount that they're saving per unit, and that savings will then appear here to give your customers a feeling of how much they're saving by buying more, and you're going to incentivize that that sale that way. So again, thank you very much for watching another stylish cost calculator tutorial, and take a look at our YouTube page. If you go to our playlist, you'll see tons of videos and different use cases and things that you can do to increase your sales and conversions with your cost calculator by creating a more interactive experience with your users instead of a static pricing, which most companies go with, which doesn't encourage cross sales, upsales, and other things that are problematic with static pricing. If you have any other questions, you can always head over to stylishcostcalculator.com/support and fill out a ticket with a pre-sale question, and we're more than happy to help.